Okay, better than this question, let's see. There are some 20-cent. Let's set up here, right? V and U. So we got 20 cent and 50 cents. They always use 20 cent and 50 cent. No other coins in Singapore. Alright. $1, 10 cent. Okay. 5 cent. Last time I got 1 cent coin. Now no more already. 1 cent. Okay. So the difference between the value of the 20 cent and the 50 cent was 450 at first. So I don't know how many, right? But so he spent half of his 20 cent and 3/5 of his 50 cent coin. So 50 cents at first got 5 parts, right? This one at first got 2 units. So you spend half, that means minus 1 unit, left 1 unit. Here minus, he spent 3/5 minus 3 parts. So left with 2 parts, right? That's the units. Okay, so the value of the 20 cent was the same as the value of the 50 cent coins left. So we get to set up a few equations. First of all, how to get the value of $4.50? $4.50 is the same as 20 cent times 2u plus 50 cent times 5 parts. Okay, let me write out. So 20, okay, if I take value times unit, right? So I get like 40 VU, wait, sorry. Wow, okay, here tricky, because 1 unit, 1 part. 40 VU plus 50, 250 VP is equal to 450. Okay, wait. The value of the 20 cent left was the same as the value of the 50 cent coins left. The value here is the same as the value here. Okay, if the, sorry, we got the reverse again. You see, if the value here at the end, if they are the same, that means the number of 20 cent coin is 5 times the number of 50 cent coin. Is that okay? Alright, because of the last part, they say the value is the same. So I want to convert everything to parts. You see, I have 2 parts here. That means here I must have this 5 times of 2 parts. That means I'm going to use green, red color, right? That means here must be 10 parts. So far, is it okay? Because it's 5 times and the value is in, the only way for the value to be the same is that the 20 cent is 5 times. You see, I take 50 times 2, that's like $1. Wait, 20 must times 5. Wrong. See, my deduction is wrong. Cancel. Sorry, it's 5 parts. 5 parts. Yeah, because the value is the same. So 50 cent, you take 50 cent times 2, will give you $1, right? This is just one example. And then 20 cent times 5 will also give me $1. Okay, so the only way for value is the same, is that this is 5, this is 2. So if this is 5 and originally I had twice, that means here must be 10 parts. Then here is minus 5 parts. Okay, so now I convert everything to parts. So I don't use this. Right, convert everything to parts. So initially 20 times 10, that's 200 BU plus 50 times 5. Wait, how much did? Wait. Sorry, how much did Daryl have at first? Five parts. how much did Daryl have at first? Oh, sorry, this is the difference. The difference. Okay, I thought it's the total. Minus. Okay, so what is the if I take 20 cent times this, 20 cent times this, I get 200 PV, and then 50 cent times this, 250 PV, right? Value times units, basically. So the difference is actually 50 PV, and 50 PV represents $4.50, correct? Because that's the difference. Right, so now I want to find how much I take value times parts. Times parts. Yeah, so then this is 20 times 10. 20 times 10 is 200. Okay, I want to put a B because I want to show that this is parts times value. That means it's units and parts. This is the units and parts. Because these units and parts multiplied together represents the actual money. Actual money. So if 50 part PV is $4.50, how do I get that? Because there's a difference. Difference of 50 PV, right? I need, how much did he have at first? At first he has 450 PV. 450 PV, right? So times 9, yeah, so it is 4.5 times 9, so equal to 50. Yeah, that's it. Can? So value and units, right? It's just value and units with before and after at the end, which confused me for a while, but yeah. So sometimes it's like that. So we try to do the question using one particular format, but it doesn't work. So you got to reverse a bit, backtrack. You got to backtrack. You backtrack and then you check again, and you see how it is.